Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to run a local LLM on your iPhone step by step. Use an Apple Silicon iPhone 15 Pro or later for best on-device speed. Choose a small model like a 7B parameter variant to balance capability and storage. Quantize the model to 4-bit to reduce size to about 5 GB. Reserve at least 5 GB of free storage for model files and swap. Keep battery above 20% and use a fan or cool surface during long runs. First, install a local LLM app from the App Store that supports quantized models. Open the app and grant the storage permission to store model files locally. Download a 7B quantized model file of about 5 GB into app storage. In app settings, enable neural engine acceleration and hardware optimization options. Allocate between 2 and 4 GB of RAM or swap for smooth inference. Restart the app after configuration to apply all performance settings properly. Begin by loading the quantized model inside the app and run a simple test prompt. Use shorter prompts under 200 tokens to reduce memory and latency during inference. Set the batch size to 1 and enable 4-bit quantization to lower peak memory use. Monitor CPU, neural engine utilization, and battery percentage while running the model. If temperatures rise, pause the run and cool the phone to prevent throttling. Save and export any important chats to cloud backup regularly for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.